Hello everyone. Welcome to this new video on the Bold Reports Standalone Report Designer. In this video, we will discuss what the Standalone Report Designer is, its key features, differences between the RDL and RDLC designers, and how to download and install it. Let's get started. The Standalone Report Designer is a report designing tool that empowers data analysts to design, edit, preview, and export paginated SSRS, RDL, and RDLC reports with rich data visualizations. It helps them convert raw data into meaningful and expressive reports. Let's dive into the details of its features. First and foremost, you can design and edit reports. Bold Reports Standalone Report Designer allows you to create professional-looking reports using a rich set of data regions, visualizations, and report items powered by parameters, expressions, sorting, grouping, filtering, and more. It is business user-friendly. You can drag and drop report items to create reports without any help from IT. You can connect data from anywhere. The Standalone Designer supports connecting to major data providers, including Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle, OLEDB, ODBC, PostgreSQL, Web APIs, OData, JSON, XML, Excel, and CSV, for exploring data and designing reports that pull from a wide range of data sources. The built-in report viewer lets users interact with newly created and existing reports. You can export the RDL and RDLC reports you build to popular formats like PDF, Excel, CSV, PowerPoint, Word, HTML, and XML. Interactivity is a critical component of the Standalone Report Designer. You can deliver highly customized, interactive reports to your stakeholders, and can even alter the report layout in preview by filtering, highlighting, and sorting the data. The designer provides a great collection of report items. You can gain insight into your business data by choosing the most suitable visualizations from over 35 widgets, including bar charts, line charts, funnel charts, maps, and tables. Lastly, the styling and formatting supported in the designer is unmatched. The "what you see is what you get" user interface allows a report to be edited in the same UI as it is printed or displayed. You can easily edit a report with a mouse, touchscreen, or keyboard. The Standalone Report Designer setup comes with RDL and RDLC report designers. Both RDL and RDLC reports follow similar XML schema formats, but there are a few noticeable differences between them. This table lists the differences between the RDL and RDLC designers. Let's take a look. In the Bold Reports RDL Designer, you can design RDL reports for 2008, 2010, and 2016 schemas, with connection strings and queries stored as data sources and datasets. On the other hand, the RDLC Designer contains only meta-information of dataset fields for 2008, 2010, and 2016 schemas. Next, in the RDL Designer, built-in connectors for SQL, Oracle, OLEDB, ODBC, XML, and REST APIs process report data using connection strings and queries stored in the RDL report. In the RDLC Designer, users manually build dataset fields and pass information about the data to process the report because no built-in connectors exist. Next, RDL reports can be published and uploaded to SQL reporting and Bold Reports servers. However, in RDLC, they are not compatible with server-side publishing and processing. Lastly, the RDL Designer is recommended for users who want to publish reports to a server and access them from multiple applications, while the RDLC Designer is recommended for users who want to maintain a copy of the report definition in an application and pass data from the application level to process the report. Now, let's see how to download and install the Standalone Report Designer. Go to the Standalone Report Designer homepage and click Login. On the Login page, I click Microsoft to sign in. Once logged in, you will be redirected to the Cloud Bold Reports Server free tier page. Here, you can explore the features of Bold Reports Report Server without installing or setting up any apps on your system. This allows you to experience its capabilities instantly by creating and sharing reports. Next, open the Accounts page by clicking the View Account option. Click Downloads from the download icon in the left navigation panel. Select the Standalone Report Designer tab and download the setup file. The setup file is available in both exe and zip formats. After downloading the setup file, run it. Then, sign in with the email address you used to start the trial to unlock the setup. Or use an existing account to install without connecting to the internet. Go to the Offline Install tab and use an offline key to unlock the setup. If you do not have a key, click the word here. This will open your browser to the Bold Reports Downloads page. Click Get Unlock Key to download the license file. Back in the installer, browse for the license file on your machine and select it. After that, accept the license terms and conditions. Next, consent to the terms of the C# license and the installation of C# binaries and dependencies. And click Next. Select the location where you want the application and its files to be installed. The Create Start menu group and Create Desktop shortcut options are selected by default. If you clear these options, you can start the application later by searching in Windows. The next page asks for your consent to deploy client libraries. By selecting the checkboxes in the list, you will be able to connect to Oracle, MySQL, and PostgreSQL data sources. These additional packages are third-party software, and you have to agree to their terms and conditions before installing them. If you do not use data from these sources, you can skip this step. For this demo, I will enable all of them. And then click Install. Upon successful installation, the Standalone Report Designer will be installed in the path I entered in the installation location field, which is my standalone folder. Also, based on the options I selected, the installer adds separate application launchers for Bold Report Designer and Bold Reports RDLC Designer to my desktop. Done with installation, I click Launch Application to start the program, and can get started creating stunning professional reports in the Report Designer immediately. After the trial ends, a monthly subscription is required for continued access to all Standalone Report Designer functionalities. However, if you have a paid subscription to the self-hosted or embedded version of Bold Reports, you will maintain access to the Standalone Designer. We also provide the Standalone Designer to users who have a Bold Reports community license. For pricing information or details on the eligibility requirements for the community license, please visit our website or contact our support team. I hope this video provided a satisfying overview of the Standalone Report Designer. Start your free trial or log in if you have an account and install it today. I have shared a link to the installation documentation in this video's description. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.